Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Yeah, we are in the boat. We have Hector the lizard and Jack the turtle for help today. Step 1 or project 1 is to mount these stops here.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Låt inte sladden.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
And yeah, we're gonna mount this model. It's not magnets, it's some pressure, just some small balls. Locks in like that, and we are gonna mount them in between here so this doesn't flap around like this in the waves.
Men då blir jag kapten igen. Nej, så blir det inte. Man kan inte göra så. Nej. Jag vill få det. Så alla bär tycker du luktar olja. Ja. För att då kommer jag använda för till dig.
Ta-da! That's one. Now just mount that one on the doors in the back. Yeah, so now both of the doors are fixed and Hector is gonna show you how it works.
Haje!
Öppnar du den, Hector? Okej. Snyggt.
Gott nytt år! Och imorgon är det nyårsafton!
Så, och så sätter du upp den.
Det är nyårsafton idag! Gott nytt år!
Yeah, the new year is tomorrow, but now we are gonna replace the old table with the new one. And yeah, the battery is really low, so I'm just gonna screw this table off, then we're gonna continue. Yeah, so now it's just to remove this. Put one screw in, and now it's just to check so that the screw doesn't stick out more than the new table is thick. You don't want it to go through. får smälta strömmen igen pojke. So now it's just to put the new table on. Then it's just to figure out where it should be. Nej, ni får hålla så båda ser.
Vänta! Varför kan du aldrig vänta? Så den sprängdes. What the? Kan man göra så?
This will work. So find something to draw with.
It's crafting table.
A lot of pressure.
Alltså det är Roblox i Minecraft. Han jobbar där Roblox.
And now it's just to flip it over and hope that the screws didn't go through. And Perfect. And if you know that you are on the limit, guess where the screw comes out if it goes through, and screw really slow. Because if you see it's started to dent up, next half a turn it's gonna go through. So if you see a dent, back out, take a shorter screw. Yeah, so today we only have done a couple of small projects, but I've done a bit of planning as well. As you can see, the new table is in place. Yeah, it's shorter, but it's wider, but it's a lot easier to get in and out. This was a request from Sarah, so now it's easy to slide in. It's still good distance to eat and so on, so it turned out really nice. That's project 1. Project 2 is I've mounted these stops to keep the doors from flapping in the C state. Same on that door. And the plan, I need some more lights. The plan was to mount the fridge, the third fridge there. We have one here. a second one there, and my plan was to build one here. We're not gonna do that with the fridge we have. Maybe we will do that later if I find one more fridge. But I took some measurements and it's gonna fit here. This one I'm gonna redo anyway, since I'm not so happy with it. Some cheap carpet. And the measurement for the fridge I have home, it's almost perfect for this. It's the same height as to here, and the corner is gonna be about there somewhere. Small shelf systems or something, so we're gonna put it here, and that's gonna be a fridge for drinks and so on. It's gonna fit perfect there. And we have also brought a lot of stuff to the boat. Heaters and a battery charger, a 2 kilowatt inverter, and so on and so on. I have a lot more stuff back home, but I don't want to bring everything out to the boat. Yeah, I forgot one thing. Where is it? A solar vent we are gonna mount somewhere. I guess here, maybe here or here somewhere. We will see. I guess it's gonna be here. And yeah, that's everything for today. Now it's just to pack everything up, pack the kids up, and then go home again. We will see which project we're gonna do next time. We're gonna go home, have a look on the workboard and see what's left to do. It's a lot left. Many of the projects is really small stuff. Today we have done 2.5. We have put the stops in and mounted the new table, and we will see which the next one is. Probably next one is fridge and the inverter, or at least start on the inverter, or heaters. We will see. The heater is gonna be at least 2 parts, because I'm gonna go really deep on how to install diesel heaters in boats, because it's a lot to think about for safety, and basically you're not ending up killing yourself. So we will see. Yeah, so we are back at the board. Let's see what we have done today. Table replaced. Let's see. Stops for the door. Here we have a table that's gonna replace the table down. It's mahogany plywood, the real stuff, not the usual one with you know, standard plywood, then with a small thin veneer on top. This is the entire plywood is mahogany, and the sides is in massive mahogany. Here's a picture of the old one. This one is really nice. Some more wood pieces that are done. That's the door for the front, that's the door for the aft cabin. That's the new lids for the aft cabin and the front, and a new lid for the ankle locker. Those I had to do in massive mahogany, of course. So there has been a lot of woodworking. But let's see. What have we done so far? We have washed the soft top. We have cleaned the windows in the soft top. We have added the last zipper and sewn on an edge. And the wood is about done. It's just a couple of small pieces left inside the boat. The rest I've done here at home. There is a full woodworking video coming up. We have started the project of mounting the heaters. There is a couple of videos coming about that. We have started to mount the inverter. We have started the shelves in the front. We have re-varnished. We have restored the ceiling lights for the front of the boat, as you saw in an earlier episode. That one we have done. That's the lid for the anchor locker. Yeah, so it's coming along real nice. So yeah, the wood is just to start to install back in the boat. But now it's back to the computer, editing more videos. And as you probably know, I have a Patreon account as well. And and if you want to have more content, especially the deep dive ones, jump over to the Patreon account and check that out. There is a link down below in the video description. And especially with the diesel heaters, I'm gonna do a real deep dive when I install them in the boat. There is a ton of things look out for and keep in mind. And I'm installing both 5 kilowatts that's labeled as 8, and I'm also installing a 2 kilowatt. So I'm gonna have 2 heaters in the boat, one big one and one small one. Why, I'm gonna show you then. So yeah, if you want, jump over there. It costs a little bit, but it helps me out a lot, and you get a lot of different tools to, you know, get in direct contact with me if you need help or advice or anything, or just want to help me out and support the channel a bit. But either way, stay tuned, like and subscribe, and see you next time.